Yoon ACN use. Step 1. Clean. The ACN wash removes excess sebum and impurities and restores the ideal pH for good bacteria. In this way, you remove the breeding ground for bad bacteria. Step 2. Treat. The ACN cream fights bad bacteria. This moisturizing cream fights pimples and acne symptoms with good bacteria that fight bad bacteria. In our clinical study, we saw a 100% visible improvement within 4 weeks for all patients who correctly used Yoon ACN twice a day. Avoid other soaps and creams on the areas to be treated during the ACN therapy. Classic products use aggressive ingredients and preservatives, which kill both the bad and good bacteria, counteract the working of the Yoon bacteria, and unbalance your skin flora. Be careful with makeup, particularly with products such as oil-based foundation and makeup. They can clog your pores. If you do want to use makeup, choose a powder form. If you wish to use sun cream, wait at least 30 minutes after applying the ACN cream. The same goes for your makeup.